Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to your PC for Rocket League. First, you have two main options for connecting your controller. You can use a standard micro USB cable, which provides a reliable wired connection. This is often the simplest method to get started. Alternatively, for a wireless experience, you can connect via Bluetooth, provided your PC has built-in Bluetooth or you're using a compatible adapter. For a wired connection, simply take your micro USB cable and plug one end into the port on the top of your PS4 controller. Then, connect the other end of the cable into any available USB port on your computer. Your PC should recognize the controller almost instantly. Windows typically handles the driver installation automatically, making this a quick and straightforward process to get you ready for Rocket League. To connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, first put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. Simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds. You'll notice the light bar on the controller begin to flash rapidly, indicating it's ready to pair. Next, on your PC, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and select Add Bluetooth or other device to find and connect your controller. Once connected, open Steam and ensure Rocket League is in your library. Go to Steam's Big Picture mode or controller settings and enable PlayStation configuration support. This allows Steam to properly interpret your controller's inputs. Then, launch Rocket League. Your PS4 controller should now be recognized, and you can fine-tune any in-game controller settings to match your preferred playstyle for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.